A bicycle in the state of Oregon is considered a vehicle, not a motor vehicle, but a vehicle. And by statute, bicycles are required to follow all rules of the road that are applicable to cars.
Bicyclists running stop signs have been causing frustration and concern among drivers and pedestrians on campus. Oregon State Police and OSU Public Safety have been doing what they can to combat the problem.
You know, running a stop sign can be about $250 to $300 is roughly the fine. It's a moving violation. It's a hazardous moving violation. That means that it can cause a crash or cause injury. We put together a saturation trying to at the beginning of the term, fall term, and it was September 22nd and September 24th, and we did the saturation pretty much for 4 hours in the morning and 4 hours in the afternoon each day. The goal of the saturation was more awareness, education, to not only, people generally know, hey, I'm on a bicycle, I got to stop at a stop sign, but they don't really comply with it. So it was like, we wanted to get the message out there. Yes, you do have to stop, and yes, we are watching, and yes, we will take action.
Despite the positive impact, bikers are still breaking the law by the dozen.
I've been on both sides. I've been a walker trying to cross, and no bikers will stop, and that's really frustrating. But I also know how tedious it is to stop on a bike at every stop sign. But I think they do need to be stopped because, you need to stop at a stop sign because it's the law, and you're going to get ticketed, and it's going to suck.
Our goal is to start doing bicycle saturations at the beginning of each term, except summer term. But for fall, winter, spring, and in the past we have just done bicycle saturations in the fall, but it was very successful this last go around, so we're going to do it again. I mean, we issued a lot of warnings. We were close to 100 for the 2 days on the warnings and a few citations. It was also well received, not only by the people that we were stopping. We got a lot of thank yous, but it was also well received by the people that work in those immediate buildings and use that immediate area. The more we can do this, the more people comply with the law and the safer the roads become.
For Beaver News, I'm William Allison.